Hiya, it's Lorena Castro. So I'm so excited to show you guys how I do this lovely silky straight hair with the strainers. Don't miss out, watch it. Natural hair after the shower. I put some, get us a antifreeze. Some serum, all at flex. And I'm going to rough dry until dry, and after I'm gonna show you what we're doing. So I just finished rough drying my hair. I just used a little bit like a brush just to detangle at the same time I was drying. And yeah, this is what happened. Let's brush it again. And we're gonna make a beautiful straight hair with a straightener. One of the important tips is to have a good pair of strainers. This one is GHD Platinum and it's really good because they are ceramic strainers and it helps because it doesn't damage the hair, they don't go too hot, so it's perfect. I'm gonna start doing a section on the back like around 4 centimeters, and we will need as well a tail comb or a comb. And it's super important for me, like when I use the strainers, I need to comb it the same way, otherwise it's not gonna be as silky. So tip number 2, have a comb while you're straightening the hair with the strainers. So just like this. So first I'm gonna do the root area. You have to pull the hair quite tight and go 2 or 3 times into the roots. In my case, I go 2 or 3 times into the roots because my hair is a little bit curly, frizzy, so I need extra heat on the roots. So like I said, comb, strainers, and go down. You have to go fast, but not too fast. Otherwise, if you go too fast, it's not gonna do nothing. We're gonna do the other side. You have to comb it first. Make it quite tight, and first the root area. First the comb, and after the straightener. So at the same time we're going down, the comb is making it easier and it's gonna help to look nicer as well. How nice. Okay, so the bottom sections are done. We will continue with another section around 2 centimeters. So like I said, from above the ear all the way to the back. Section here. Okay, so pull the hair so it's not any kind of curled here or anything, and we're gonna go like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Comb just here, strainer just here, and go down. Yeah, so good. Oh my god. But let me do this again. So good, right? Let's do this side. So you see guys, it's not that difficult and it makes such a difference. So yeah guys, if you don't have the GHD Platinum, I 100% recommend it, like 110%. And it's really good to straighten the hair, and it's so good as well to wave your hair. Yeah, it's just perfect. It's a good investment, like 100%. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys. I was doing my hair just I said, like I'm gonna do everything and wait for the top. But I think this is a very important tip. So the size is so important to do it like in section in horizontal. So that way the hair will have less volume and it will be just perfect coming to the face. So yeah, that would be my section. So another section, horizontal. Nice and smooth. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna finish the sides and I will come back for the top. Okay, so I just did the sides and the back. We're just gonna work forward. So that will be our section. Comb it all through and three. And then the comb and slow down. Section to the back and with a clip. Another one. Let me put this behind my ear if I can. A little more rounded to the back. That is going to be my last section. I have to say, if you're enjoying the video, just like the video and subscribe for more videos and more tips to not miss out. Okay, so once we finish doing the front section, we're gonna make sure all the ends look nice. So yeah, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the end here and then let it go around. So long, yeah. You see, compare this to this. So wrap them on. Much better. You see, just the fringes making it a little bit more rounded. It looks more natural. It sits nicer, and the ends be good as well. Look the back. Perfect. So let's just put some of the serum. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.